Hi everyone, I am Pankaj Chauhan. In this video, I will give information regarding ban on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Will they face any ban in India or not? Facebook, Twitter and Instagram may face a ban in India if they do not comply with the new intermediary guidelines set by Government of India. The deadline to accept these guidelines set by the Government of India was on 25th May. In February 2021, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology it had given a 3 months time to the social media platforms to comply with the new IT rules. But so far no one of the platforms including WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram has not complied with the new set of regulations set by IT sector. The Indian version of Twitter Koo app is the only social media app right now that has complied with the new guidelines ahead of the May 25th deadline. In February 2021, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology had given a 3 months time to the social media platforms to comply with the new set of IT rules. So what are the new IT rules that Government of India wants the social media platforms to follow? So as per the new rules announced by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, the social media platforms will have to appoint compliance officer from India. The officer will overlook the complaints, monitor and content and remove if it is an objectionable content. Such rules are not only applicable to social media platforms but also to OTT platforms. So if strictly speaking, what Government of India wants to do is they want to make an intermediary person from India that will have a control and it will monitor the objectionable contents that anyone will post on these social platforms. So right now what is happening, anyone from our country India, anyone can post anything whatever they wants to post on any social media platforms. So that content should be verified, it should be monitored that it is a fake news or it is the correct news. So such type of things will be removed if these things are implemented in India. So my opinion on this is that it is a good set of regulations that India wants to achieve in IT sector. So I will surely support whatever the new regulations that Government of India wants them to follow. So this will be good for Government of India also, and also no one will be able to spread some fake news or some fake contents over the social media platforms, or some hate speeches, religious fake contents that will not be spreading like these days. But these social media platforms have asked Government of India for a duration of at least 6 months so that they can coordinate to the US department regarding these new set of regulations to be followed up. Also few months back it has come to our knowledge that WhatsApp was making its new privacy policies in which they can read our data. So these things should be removed according to the new set of rules, I think. So I will surely support the new set of rules that government will impose on different social media platforms. Also I would like to hear that what is your point of view regarding these facts. In the comment section you can give your opinion that what is your thinking regarding these set of new IT rules. So that whatever the IT rules that Government of India wants to impose on these social media platforms, I think that will be good, so that the monopoly that these social platforms right now, they are having a monopoly, like they are the dictators. They whatever they want to do they can do, like they have suspended some accounts of different personalities of India also. So that thing will be monitored from point of view from India side also. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.